how are you? I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to do something really interesting. Today we are going to develop our own Hungry Bird game. Yes, Hungry Bird game. So for that we need to use this platform. This is called Scratch platform. So by using this we are going to develop our own game. So now let's quickly explore and understand its various aspects. Okay, so before that, tell me whether you have visited any stage show or any stage play in your school or anywhere else? Yes? So what you notice there? There must be several performers and a stage, right? And there must be a script in which it was written how they have to perform and what they have to perform, right? So in a similar manner, like a stage show, our Scratch also works. So now look at the screen very carefully. You can notice a cute little parrot here. So basically, he is a performer. And in Scratch, it is known as Sprite. Yes, it is known as Sprite. And we can have more than one Sprite also. And its list is displayed here. It is called Sprite list. In Sprite list, all the sprites we are going to have currently on our window, all are going to be displayed here. Yes. So since we have only one sprite today, so only one is displayed here. Whatever instructions we are going to give to our sprite, he is going to perform everything. Like go up, go down, go right, go left, everything. Yes. Also, you must have noticed a box surrounding our sprite. Yes, this box is known as stage. This is the stage where our sprite is going to perform. Yes. Next, this is called box palette or instructions palette, where we have so many instructions we can give to our sprite. We can make him move forward, we can make him jump, we can make him turn around to 15 degrees, 16 degrees, anything. We have so many instructions. Just to implement that, we need to click on this and drag it to our scripting area. Yes, this is called scripting area. This is a big white box where we can paste our instructions that we want to give to our sprite. So now, let's start developing our own Hungry Bird game. First of all, look at the background of this sprite. Isn't it looking a bit boring? Let's make it interesting then. So for that, we need to come at the right bottom corner of our window. Here, choose a backdrop. Then we are going to click on that. And here, we will drop into the sea of backdrops. So for now, we will choose this forest. Look at that. That looks amazing, isn't it? Yes. So now our parrot also looks happy. So now the next step is to make our parrot fly. Now that we have added a background, the next step is to make our bird fly. And for that we need to provide correct instructions. Before that, let's quickly analyze the pattern the birds make when it flies. So tell me, what happens to the wings of the bird when they fly? Do their wings stay in one position? Absolutely correct. They don't stay in one position. Birds flap their wings when they fly. They make their wings go up, down when they fly. Look at this stage now. Bird is still. But to make it fly, we need to give instructions. But before that, tell me, in which direction is the bird facing? Yes, it is facing in right direction. So in which direction it is going to fly? Yes, it is going to fly in the right direction only, because the bird flies in the same direction they are facing. Now look at the blocks panel. Here at motion blocks. So its name is kept motion because it contains all the instructions related to the motion of the bird. So for our cute little parrot, we are going to choose move 10 steps. I told you how to choose. Just click on this, drag it here in scripting area and drop it. Since we have got two, we will move this. Yeah, here we are. Now guys, you are going to click on this and tell me your observations. Yes, you guessed it right. It is moving forward. It is moving in the right direction. It's moving in the direction it is facing. Isn't it fun? So basically this is the distance moved by our sprite. Let's try by making the distance 30. Again click on this. You can see the distance has increased. Now again make it 45. You can see the distance is increasing. Yes, the distance is increasing. So basically this is the distance moved by our sprite. Now that's awesome. We have made our bird move forward. But what about flapping its wings? For that, we need to have a same image of this bird with wings facing downwards. Now let's see how we can do that. Now look at the upper left corner of the window here at costumes. Click on this. Now as you can see, we already have two costumes ready. One with wings facing upwards and the other with wings facing downwards. And both of them have different names. Now try clicking on both of them simultaneously. Look at this. You can observe the bird is flapping its wings. Yes, this is the logic we need to apply. That after each and every step we need to change the costume of our bat. So for that we need to go back to our code area and look for the next costume block in the More Blocks palette. So since it is related to looks, we are going to go on looks and here it is. Next costume. We are going to click on this and drag it here in the scripting area. Now try clicking on this. You can see the bird is flapping its wings. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, absolutely. Now try thinking of the time when you can move the bird as well as change its costume simultaneously. That is at the same time. How you can do that? For that, you need to remember the jigsaw puzzle. There, we used to join different blocks together to make a single picture. Here too, we are going to join these two blocks to make a single movement. So let's do it. First, we are going to change this to 10, then drag this here and drop it. So now they are joined together. Click them. You can see the bird is moving forward as well as changing its costume. Yeah, we did it. We are able to make a bird flat. Great. Since you are able to make your bird flat, make your parrot flat. So now let's quickly explore or revise the things we have learned so far. Tell me, which one is the scripting area? Yes, this big rectangular white box is the scripting area. And what do we do here? We drag the instructions from the blocks palette here, which we want to give to a sprite, and which block is used to tell or move the sprite forward. Yes, this one. And this number is basically the distance moved by the sprite. And which block is used to change the costume of the sprite? Yes, this one. The next costume. Yes, this block is used to change the costume of the sprite. Yes, you got it all. Thank you.